This is a very interesting capture race challenge for white. White is not in a very good position here, and it seems like black has more liberties than white. But as we know, standing down here is always something worth trying. But in this situation, black can play right here at number 2, forcing white to connect. And after this exchange, black can simply play this move. It'll be very hard for white to win, because now, after this exchange, this is 4 liberties against 3. So white will actually fail this way. Because of this shape, white has to play here first, forcing black to connect, and now number 3 will work. But this is not that straightforward. If black plays on the first line, that will effectively occupy black's own liberties, right? So white can push now, and this is 3 liberties against 2, and white will be able to win this way. But if black occupies white's liberty from behind, it is very, very, very important for white not to push here. If white pushes here first, white will fail, because white can no longer connect here on the first line. This way, white will either be cut off, or this will be a connect and die for white. But without 5 and 6 here, number 5 can be here on the first line. Now if black wants to cut white off, white can push now, because number 6 effectively forced black to occupy his own liberty as well. This way, white can win. If black plays from behind, now whites can connect. Because white didn't reduce its own liberties with this push, 5 and 7 can ensure white's connection. White is already connected, and there's really no way to fight it out with black anymore. So that's why number 5 here is really, really important. I think the key takeaway here, number 1, is this shape. Because it's very special, standing down here first will not work, so that's why white needs to play at number 1. After this exchange, standing down at number 3 is really important. And lastly, the most important move is number 5 right here on the first line. It is very tempting for beginners and many amateur players to play this push. And you need to be really careful. If you've done enough of these problems, you know that pushing at least half the time is not a good idea. So you should refrain from pushing unless you're 100% sure that it helps you. In this case, pushing will be disastrous for white. So playing here on the first line without the push is extremely important. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.